Mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI matanarutwo muthi munini wa President William Ruto mieri kenda mihituku riria acereire Ngeretha na akiarĩria gikundi kia Kenya na ageni thiini wa Chatham House onake niaheanire mendekithia ma gucenjia gatiba.
It is not proper that the leader of a party garnering the second highest votes has no formal constitutional role.
Akienda mogaruruku thiini wa gatiba, Ruto akiendekithia uria wacindwo hindi ya ithurano akaheo kanya ga gukorwo na wabici thiini wa bunge na agatuo mutongoria wa mwena wa mung'ethaniro hamwe na munini wake. No na kuri uguo Ruto niareganite na mubango wa gucokio kwa giturwa gia Prime Minister.
It does not resolve the problem, which is that we need a functional constitutional official opposition. Even if the positions were created, it would still be taken by the winning party.
Ruto niendekithitie mogaruruku thiini wa bunge ya bururi, munini wa president akiendekithia gukorwo na kanya ga ministers gukoragwo bunge-ini onokorwo matigucagurwo imwe kwa imwe maria bunge.
I however maintain that members of cabinet should not be elected members of parliament.
Raila ari o Chatham Ngeretha miaka iri mihituku augire onokorwo ni kuri mogaruruku thiini wa ithurano iria cietikagiria ciama nyingi gukorwo thiini wa ithurano ni kwagirirwo gukorwo na mogaruruku tondu ithurano icio cietikoragwo na ihoto.
That's why there's new thinking that rather than focus on elections alone, there's need to focus on building freer societies, separation of powers, independence of the media and the judiciary, devolution of power and resources, restriction on presidential power and respect for term limits.
Riria acereire bururi uyu eta president wa America Barrack Obama augire no Mwaka bururi uyu ukorwo na mogaruruku niguo andu othe maigwe thiini wa thirikari.
First and foremost, it means continuing down the path of a strong, more inclusive, more accountable and transparent democracy. You know, democracy begins with a peacefully elected government. It begins with elections, but it doesn't stop with elections.
Obama ni oriria atongoria bururi gutigirira kwina mogaruruku niguo atumia na andu anyinyi magakoragwo na kanya ga gutongoria, akiuga andu ethĩ ni aingĩ bururi-ini koguo ni magĩrĩirwo kuheo mieke.
To continue down this path of progress, it will be vital for Kenya to recognize that no country can achieve its full potential unless it draws on the talents of all its people, and that must include the half of Kenyans, maybe a little more than half, who are women and girls.
Durumeni riu iroretio kuri atongoria President Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake hamwe na Raila Odinga kuonania uria megutereba mogaruruku maria me thiini wa riboti ya BBI.
Now,
Riboti ya Inooro TV yetagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.